And equities finishing up the day in European trading. Let's take you through all of the market action today. And that action has been downward when we're talking about European equities. Down for the first time in 5 days, looking at the Stoxx 600. The DAX, you can see, lower by 1.2%. The Euro Stoxx 50, that's Eurozone stocks, down almost 1%. Weakness in Spain, in Greece, and also in Western European markets. In the FX space, we've seen some broad-based dollar weakness. The dollar at an 11-month low. When that is playing out like this, you've got the euro up 0.8%, 115.74. Questions over whether that would head towards the 116 handle. It certainly is at its highest since the beginning of May 2016. That's the euro. The pound, meanwhile, weakening from a 10-month high, down 0.2% after UK inflation data came in softer than expected, unexpectedly weakened, in fact. We're still above the 130 handle, though, 130.28 on cable. In the fixed income space, you're seeing yields moving lower, both in the core and the periphery. Gold bid, we're seeing some metals bid, bit of a mixed picture. We've been seeing oil bid as well, looking at Brent. Then taking a look here at the Stoxx 600 against the euro. So questions over when the stronger euro might start to eat into the region's earnings. This is normalized as of the end of last year. So year to date, you can see how much the euro has powered forward. That's the blue line versus the Stoxx 600. Then looking at Europe's equity benchmark and various industry groups. So overall, the benchmark down some 0.7%. You're seeing most industry groups lower, only real estate and utilities not in the red. Tech stocks, they're leading the losses, followed by financials. That could be some of the feed through from the US bank earnings. And then commodity producers, interestingly, down as well. So they were leading the gains yesterday, but then the basic resources index went into overbought territory. It's now down for the first time in 7 days. But speaking of those tech stocks, leading those losses among tech stocks, and actually the worst performer in the session among the Stoxx 600 is Ericsson. So the shares falling the most in 9 months after earnings missed estimates. It also cautioned that turning around the beleaguered phone equipment maker will require even steeper cost cuts, really testing the patience of investors. Ericsson down almost 16%.